can just write program display message saying that well done. Let us write program displaying message saying that well done, like this one, well done. You see this one. Then to run it, you can just come and click on this run icon and wait a little bit. You see our output here, well done here. You see these ones. Do you want to run Python but you don't know where to start? Many beginners fail before writing their first line of code. Today I will show you the easiest way to install Python using Anaconda, step by step. So you have to watch this video until the end, because by the end of this video you will have Python fully installed and ready to run your first program. So if you are new, please don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues, and please remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload any video you will get notification. So without spending much more time, let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, let us start with our first task, which is download of Anaconda Python distribution. Right, so we need to come here in Google and then search for Anaconda, www.anaconda.com, right? Just www.anaconda.com. Then you click enter or search for it. Yes. Then after searching for Anaconda, you will lead to this interface, right? So after getting here, what you need to do is just to download it. So we need to click here on this download icon, free download, right here. Then you click on it. Then also you will get here. Here you see there is also a download icon here. That has two buttons: get started and return user. So for us, we need to download so that we can install it. So we click here on get started. Click on get started here. Also you wait a little bit and then you are asked to log in, either by using Google, by using Microsoft, by using GitHub. So for us, better to use our Google so that we can use our email, Google account. Right? You click on Google. Then you wait a little bit. Here you are asked to select which email or Google account you are going to use. So you select one among your emails. Let us use this one for me. Then you wait a little bit. Then after getting here, we also make continue. Click here on continue so that you can now access to Anaconda features. Then here you see you are now allowed to download. As you see, choose your download. You can either download as Windows, Mac operating system, or Linux. To mean that there's three options. Let me reduce somehow. You see, we have three options here. You can download our Anaconda Python distribution as a window. For Windows operating system, you can also download it for Mac operating system, and also you can download it on Linux operating system. But for us, as you see, we are going to use Windows operating system. And here there is also two options: Anaconda distribution and Miniconda. So for us, we need Anaconda. So we need to click here on Anaconda distribution, Windows 64-bit graphical installer, right? So click here. Then wait a little bit. Once you click there, you see our Anaconda distribution is now downloading. You see here is now downloading. So we have to wait for it, and please make sure that you have strong internet, because as you see, our Anaconda has 1.1 gigabytes. To mean that it requires you to have a strong internet, right? But while we are waiting for this downloading, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you are new. Make sure you like this video, and if you have any question, please let us know in the comment section. Yes, as you see, our Anaconda now is almost done to be downloaded. Wait a little bit, you see is now full downloaded, right? You see here is now done. Here you can go and check where it's now saved by clicking on this folder icon. And as you see is now here in the download folder, right? So to me that now is already downloaded. You can start installation. So let us see which steps we are going to follow so that you can install our Anaconda. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, to install this Anaconda, we need to click here, double click on this setup. Then afterward is in initialization, we have to wait a little bit. Then here you get this interface. Here you click on next, this next icon, you click agree here, then also next on this stage. Here is where you select where your Anaconda will be stored. For us, let us by default store it in user, then you click next, then you click on install here on this icon so that installation can be started. You click here, and as you see our installation is already started, and we have to wait a little bit so that our installation can be finished and start write our code. I show you how to write our first code using Anaconda, right? So let us wait a little bit. Yes guys, as you see, our installation now is complete. What you need to do is to click here on next so that you can start to run our Python, right? So click here on next here, then also click on next to complete our installation. Then you click on finish here, right? So as you see, it's now finished. We can now start to learn our Python programs. So let us see now how you can learn a simple Python program. Yes guys, to run our first Python using this Anaconda distribution, we need to come and search for Anaconda here. Anaconda, this one, you click on this Anaconda and wait while it's in the opening stage. You should wait a little bit, and please remind you to make subscribe if you are new here, to like this video and share it to your colleagues so that also they can learn with us. And if you have any question, let us know in the comment section. Yes, now is opened. You see, it's opened. We need to install some tools here. As you see, we need to install some tools. Let us install this one, and it's related tools. We need also to install. This one is already installed. You can launch it. Let us check another that should be installed also. Our VS Code is already installed. Yeah, let us install this, and also we need to wait a little bit. Yes, since our tools are now installed, you can start run our programs, right? We can use here any tools you want, but for us, let us use VS Code. Let us use VS Code to run our first Python program. Right, you see is now launched. You can start. The code, the editor could not be opened because the file was not found. Create file. We can now here create file. First of all, click here. Then to create file is just welcome Python. Every file of Python program should end with this extension py, right? So we click on save to save it. Can just control save. or just come here on file. Here on file, you click save. Yes, now let us write our first program. I can just write program, display message saying that well done. Let us write program displaying message saying that well done, like this one, well done. You see this one. Then to run it, you can just come and click on this run icon and wait a little bit. You see our output here, well done here, you see this one. So as you see, Python is a simple programming language, just simple, no need for making things like putting semicolons and other characters. Just print, then you write your message. For example, here, the second example, you can just write the simple program for making sum of two numbers. Let us use this one, print, then sum of two numbers here, then write our code. Let us start by initializing variables. Let us x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. For example, here in Python programming language, we don't need to make declaration, right? No need for declaring the type of variable. By default, the variable take its data type, right? Instead of writing int x or int y, you just write x with its value and y with its value. So here we need now to calculate sum. Let us sum equal to x plus y, like this one. As you see, just a simple, nothing is complicated here. No. Then here let us display our sum by using also print, message. You see, print keyword. Then we need to write sum of two numbers, easy, just like sum, easy. Then here we should put here comma, then we write our variable which is sum, and now we can learn to print our sum. And also, as you see, our sum should be equal to 7. Let us run it to check whether our output is 7 now. We click here on learn icon here, you see. Yes, as you see here, it's also display well done, sum of two numbers is 7, because we have still here message saying that well done, this one. That's why it's already displayed again. Well done, sum of two numbers is 7. So I think everyone is now able to write a simple Python program by using this Anaconda we already installed, right? And if you have any question, let us know in the comment section. And this is the end of our today's lesson. Let us go by here and let us meet in the next lesson.